The Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest in the world and one of the most mysterious places on Earth. It spreads across several South American countries, including Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Bolivia, Ecuador, and Venezuela, with most of the forest located in Brazil. Covering millions of square kilometers, the Amazon is often called the lungs of the Earth because its billions of trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, helping maintain Earth's climate. Scientists believe the Amazon rainforest began forming around 55 million years ago after the extinction of dinosaurs. During that time, South America experienced warm temperatures and heavy rainfall, creating the perfect environment for giant forests to grow. As the Andes Mountains slowly rose in western South America, rivers changed direction and eventually formed the mighty Amazon River, one of the largest rivers in the world. Around these rivers, dense forests developed, filled with countless species of plants and animals. Long before European explorers arrived, indigenous tribes had already lived deep inside the rainforest for thousands of years. These tribes survived by fishing, hunting, farming, and gathering fruits and medicinal plants from the forest. They understood nature very well and believed the rainforest was sacred. Many tribes built villages near rivers because rivers were important for transportation and daily life. Even today, some indigenous communities continue living in remote parts of the Amazon. The outside world knew very little about the Amazon until the 1500s, when Spanish and Portuguese explorers entered South America. In 1541, Spanish explorer Francisco de Orellana became one of the first Europeans to travel along the Amazon River. During his dangerous journey, his group faced storms, disease, hunger, insects, and attacks from local tribes. According to historical stories, the explorers encountered fierce female warriors who reminded them of the legendary Amazons from Greek mythology. Because of this, the river was named the Amazon River. For centuries, much of the rainforest remained unexplored because of its thick forests, dangerous wildlife, and tropical climate. During the late 1800s, the Amazon became important during the rubber boom. Rubber trees growing naturally in the rainforest produced latex used to make tires and many industrial products. Thousands of workers moved into the Amazon searching for wealth, and cities like Manaus became rich and modernized quickly. However, many workers suffered under difficult conditions, and indigenous communities were harmed as outsiders entered their lands. In the 20th century, scientists began studying the Amazon more closely and discovered that it contains one of the richest ecosystems on Earth. The rainforest is home to millions of species, including jaguars, green anacondas, poison dart frogs, sloths, toucans, macaws, piranhas, and pink river dolphins. Many plants found in the Amazon are also used for medicine and scientific research. Today, the Amazon rainforest faces serious threats from deforestation, mining, logging, farming, and forest fires. Large numbers of trees are cut down every year, destroying habitats for animals and affecting Earth's climate. Scientists warn that protecting the Amazon is extremely important because it helps regulate weather patterns and stores enormous amounts of carbon dioxide. Governments, scientists, environmental groups, and indigenous communities are now working together to protect the Amazon rainforest. National parks and conservation programs have been created to preserve its forests, rivers, wildlife, and ancient cultures. Even after centuries of exploration, much of the Amazon remains mysterious, and scientists continue discovering new species and hidden regions inside this vast green world.